Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Electric silicone warming mat from Silvercrest for keeping food warm. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Wow, that is large. I like the bag for storage, traveling, for camping. Included we have the manual. Okay. That is the heating element. The power cord with a length 1.5 meters, very convenient, and that. I like how it looks. Silicone. We have these feet all around the surface. It is about 1.5 centimeter from the base. Wow. It looks amazing. You can connect here the power cord. And here obviously we have the temperature indicators, on off touch button. So let me power it on. Nice, we can hear the sound. Backlight at the on off button. Red, that means it's on. The temperature icon with a backlight, and you can choose 60 degrees Celsius, 80 or 100 degrees Celsius. 60. Let's wait. Very flexible, as you can see. Nice. Sorry. 60. And I can feel it is warming up. Yes. Let's wait a little bit. And if you are interested for the power consumption, right now it is 346 watts. And it's very warm. I like it. 80 degrees Celsius. Is not increasing, but it is very hot at this moment. I can touch the surface, so I would like to wait until it will go at the 80 degrees Celsius. I'm sure it will shut down automatically when it reaches this temperature. At this moment I can hold my hands more than 6 seconds. This is the hot surface, as you can see. We have these white lines, and if I will switch it off, as we can see, the power is dropping, the power consumption. There it is. On again, and we have this power consumption. And now we can see we don't have any power consumption. 80 degrees Celsius right now, and of course I can increase again the temperature, 100 degrees Celsius, and you can see again we have a power consumption 340 watts more or less. You can have it at any flat surface, no worries. It has ventilation, that's why it is these huge gaps, 1.5 centimeter. The flexible silicone design, the ability to keep food warm for longer, and the minimal space it takes up when not in use are the features that stand out most. If you love hosting dinner parties, family gatherings or holiday feasts, You'll be all too familiar with the nightmare of trying to keep the starters warm while finishing off the main course. Rather than cramming everything into your oven or leaving it to go cold on the table, simply roll out this mat, plug it in and let it do the work. It provides a sleek, low-profile warming station that can be cleaned up in seconds and roll it away into a drawer. Considering the price only €26, it's a brilliant little kitchen upgrade that saves you a lot of stress. If you found this video helpful in deciding whether this electric silicone heating mat is right for your home, please like and subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest kitchen appliance reviews, practical home product recommendations and everyday gadget tests.